Well, up. A few months ago, I did a review of the DM8 electronic drum set by NUX Audio, and I was supposed to upgrade the firmware so that I can demonstrate for you several brand new samples that they had of drum kits like the Gretsch, a Ludwig, some other percussion sounds, but I forgot to do that. So in this video, I'm going to be correcting that by not only featuring those samples, but also demonstrating a method for upgrading the firmware. So if you like odd drum techie videos, then you just might like this. I've taught well over 1,000 drum lessons to people like you, and I can show you too. I'm Gabriel, and you are watching Drum Tip Tuesday. Okay, so here we are. You can't see my face, but you can see my hands. You can see this module here, and you can see inside the computer. First things first, you want to navigate to this website here, nuxaudio.com products DM8, right? Takes you to this. Ooh, nice graphic there. The DM8, the flagship digital drum kit for stage performance and studio. You're going to scroll down, down, all the way to, where is this here? Support. We see manuals. We see firmware updates. First things first, just going to go right down the list. You want to get the firmware for your operating system. I'm running Mac. You might be Windows. Who knows? Just one of these, right? You download that, you can see that I have done that over here. Then I unzipped it, and I have a folder like this, and we'll go into that a little bit more in a minute. Next things that you want to do is make sure you have the guide, right? How to install the new sound bank, the new upgrade to the firmware, and you want to download that, and you can see that's right here. I'm going to double click on that right now. All right. NUX DM8 V2 Update Guide. Connect the DM8 module to the computer using the USB cable. This is the only thing that you can't really see on the computer that I'm doing. Just take my word for it. I am shoving that in there right now. I am assuming that you have to have this, point with the cursor, with the power on, because we're going to plug it in, and you want to make sure the power is already on. Second step, press and hold first and third buttons, highlighted here, below the DM8 display screen, then plug the 9-volt power adapter into the jack. Yes, so I'm going to hold these down. Oop, make sure I can put some pressure on these. Oh, it's a lot of pressure. Well, this thing stays still. I'm going to put this in here simultaneously. That's what they're telling me to do. Uh-oh. Looks like it's ready. Firmware update start ready. Wonder if I can... Oh, I can release them now. Good. And it stays. Wonderful. That's what we want to see. Launch the MIDI DFU software. Going to go over here, back into the computer. Double click on that. MIDI DFU. Open that. That's a zip folder. I think it's already here. Yeah, well, that's what it says. Let's click on it. Double click. We'll see what happens. Opening. Oh, looks pretty good. Looking pretty good. Launch the MIDI software. So I guess what it's telling me is a move this over here in applications, right? Then I want to maybe open a new folder, huh? New Finder window. Go into applications. What's that thing called again? Look under the M's. M-I-D-I. MIDI. There it is. Open that software. I'm going to double click on this. Let's get it out of the way. Here are the instructions. There. An app. Yes, I want it. Oh, that looks promising. That looks a heck of a lot like this next step here. Oh, we're hot now. Okay. Set the MIDI device out. Where's MIDI device out? MIDI device out to DFU MIDI. It looks like it's already done. Hopefully that's what is meant by that. The target device should display Dreamchip host. Looks like it's done already for me here. Technically what they say is that this should be DFU MIDI. Looks like it should be set up. Click File and import the DM8 Firmware V2 bin. Good gracious. Well, the only other thing I have is on the desktop, right? Oh, okay. Sure, there it is. Boom. Well, that wasn't too hard. Click Start Update to begin, and wait for the bar to complete. Start Update. Looks like stuff is happening. Ooh, looks like stuff is happening over here. Well, that's exciting. Firmware updating 3%, 4%. Obviously, we'll cut here and come back. Firmware update. Update OK. 100%. Okay, part 7. After the upgrade is finished, power off the sound module. So, assuming that we did that right, this should be the sounds that you're about to hear. But before we go on, a question. What's the best electronic drum set that you ever played? No wrong answer. Comment below. And if you want to develop superior hand technique, then click the link below this video to get Hands, my free ebook with the 3 best exercises for developing fast, clean drumming. And if you want my full review of the DM8, then click this video next.